Alrighty, for this art technique video, we are going over how to draw basic shapes. Alright, so to draw basic shapes, we begin by always putting our pen to paper to make our mark and to then create our line. So I'm going to start with the basic triangle. Straight line. And there is my triangle. So I don't have to do this all in one boom, 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 boom. I can do each line individually and take my time. Art does not have to be rushed. So there is my triangle. I'm going to do a square, circle, doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect squares are very hard to achieve. Rectangle. All right, so now we're going to make these shapes 3D. So an easy way to make a shape 3D is to just imagine it repeated and expanded. So if I were to draw another square, I would repeat the square sort of in the middle of itself as it's repeating or overlapping, and connect each angle, each corner. And there we have a 3D square. That could come down a little bit more, but art isn't always perfect. We are practicing, we are learning. There is my 3D square. I can do the same for creating a rectangle, repeating my rectangle. So I'm going to mirror it by drawing another one on top, just slightly off kilter off to the side. And then I'm going to connect each corner. 3D rectangle. Same thing with our triangle. Going to repeat that triangle. There's our pyramid or a triangle. Now with a circle, circles, I could try and do it the same way. This would kind of make it like a cylinder maybe, or a circle that way. There we go. So now I've just created the illusion of space. So now that I have added even more lines, I've given each shape depth, which is really cool. So see if you can play around with creating depth with basic shapes. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just see if you can maybe follow along with this demonstration or practice on your own. See what you can come up with when you kind of train your brain to look at shapes in a 3D way. Because when we start to practice looking at shapes in a 3D way, we can rotate them, we can color them in, we can add a value in shading, and then we create our entire art piece by building off of that. Fantastic! Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here.